See, I played a lawyer called Kajuri Sen, and it's a film based on medical negligence, medical malpractice, and I'm fighting the case against the hospital and on behalf of the child who dies. I found this character to be very interesting and challenging because I was performing this character, advocate's role, for the first time, and I thought like this film, which is based on a very critical and an important issue from the society, at the same time, the character is very challenging and interesting, and a lot of dimensions also. Apart from she being a professional lawyer, she also has a life. So there's a twist in the film, so which I think the audience would love to watch it. And I was offered this film after Hate Story. In the first place, it was absolutely different from what I did in Hate Story. And of course, the plot, the actors, co-actors, KK Menon, Tiska Chopra, Arjun Mathur, I thought like this film would be a good film, of course. No, 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 no. There was nothing of that sort. I just got the offer and I found this character to be very interesting and nice, and so I thought I must do this. In fact, it's a very sensitive and a very important issue which happens in everyday's life. Even one of my close friends, she has gone through the same thing, and I could relate to it directly. And I found that this subject is very relevant. It happens in every day, like you can hear something or the other happening, and I thought like this could be a platform for the social awareness also. People, the audience, they come to watch a film, they have a story, at the same time they get a message from it. So this is what the system is all about. See, we had some script sessions with the director, with the co-actors, and also, I thought like Suhail wanted to treat it very realistically. And not very melodramatic and something like that. So I thought like, I even said Suhail like, I think I should go and watch, court, something like that, and what actually happens inside the court. So in Calcutta I had gone to see, and just to get an ambience, the feel of it, like what happens, like whether the lawyers actually land up fighting with each other or not, because whatever I've seen is on the silver screen, that's it. And I don't know what actually happens. So, but I thought it was normal. It was just the way we talk. Yeah. KK was lovely working with. Tiska was lovely working with. KK, I didn't have any that intense kind of any scene, direct confrontation or something. But during the court sequences only, that's why I said like they were all sitting behind and we were just talking, both the lawyers, me and Manish Chaudhary. And apart from that also, we had different vans, makeup vans. During the lunch break, we used to all come together, sit in a circle and have together and chat. So it was overall like a family. So I got that entire atmosphere like that. Of course, I've watched Damini so many times. I just want to go through it, like how they have played, because they've already done it and they've done it in a big way. I really admire the way he played. That's exactly. I also admire the way Paresh Rawal played it in Oh My God, and also Booman Irani and Jolly LLB. So I just wanted to go through each and every scene, because the entire court sequence was so challenging, so interesting, a lot of things happening into it. We are having conversations, at times we were just reacting to what's happening. That's each and every sequence I found very challenging. See, it's again, it's a story, it's a subject, it's very close to heart. Anybody who goes and watches will definitely relate to it directly, and it's a very emotional film. And I think overall, each how the director, how Suhail, how Vikram, they have given shape to different characters. That's very interesting. This we see in real life. Hi, I'm Pauli Dam. Catch me on movietalkies.com.